Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix your issue. The issue is that when you're using the YouTube app, it keeps crashing and not working properly on both Android and iPhone. So how can you resolve that? Simply just follow all the steps I'm going to tell you in this video. So just go to the settings of your iPhone and make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. Also, make sure that you update to the latest iOS version and confirm that you are not connected to any VPN. If you are connected to a VPN, simply disconnect it. After that, go back and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then tap on Reset and reset all the network settings from there. Once you do that, go back and scroll up in the General section, and you'll see the option iPhone Storage. Tap on that, then find the YouTube app. Tap on it, and you'll see the option Offload App. Simply tap on that. Don't worry, this will not delete any documents or data from your account. You'll still be logged in with your Apple account and YouTube. After that, just download the app again from there. If your problem is still not solved, then go to the YouTube app, uninstall it completely, and reinstall it from the App Store. Then sign in to your account again, and you should not face any problems after these steps. So that is the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe to our channel for more tech-related content.